What's going on, everyone? So I found this sweet compact size wagon made by Ozark Trail, and did I mention that it's like 60 bucks? Oh, it also has oversized heavy-duty rubber 7-inch wheels. It's pretty cut and dry when you put this bad boy together. You just have to... Okay, hold on for 1 second. Let's try this again. All right, so like I was saying, it's super easy to assemble. You just pull out the padded bed liner and unzip the wagon organizer. And voila, just open it up, push down the frame, and insert the bed liner. Now, just an FYI, the open dimensions are 3.5 by 18.9 by 21.6. Altogether, it's about 21.6 pounds. It has a durable steel frame and double layer polyester fabric. It can handle up to 225 pounds. Not that I plan on carrying that much. And now we're ready to zip up the wagon organizer, which is super convenient for books, tools, water bottles, and whatever you want to carry. And let's not forget the telescope handle, which is awesome. I wish it went just a notch up for us tall people, but aside from that, it's super awesome. And boom, you've got yourself a sweet wagon. As always, everyone, thank you so much for your support. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell for any future videos. And what else can I say, man? That's sweet.